Hi everybody, welcome to this introduction to turtle graphics in Python. Today this video is just going to help us get started. We're going to create a game screen object. We're going to create a turtle object. For my students, we're going to imagine this is actually a sheep. We're going to set the turtle object's shape. We're going to set the turtle object's shape size, and we're going to set the turtle object's color. Now, to help us get started, what I did was I went into Google and I did a search for Python3 Turtle Quick Reference Guide. And I came up with this Python docs resource, and it's super useful. So most of what I'm going to introduce over the next couple of minutes comes from this document. Okay. All right, let's create a screen object. We're going to call the getScreen function. From the turtle library. So make sure that you're importing everything from the turtle library. That will allow us to call some functions. And this is creating a screen object. Okay. Now, to communicate with this object in computer memory, what I could do is just create a variable and assign it to the object. And now that I've got a variable communicating with that object, I can call screen functions. For example, the screen size function. In fact, let's print out this the result of calling the screen size function. Okay, so let's run that. Yay! So we've got a screen, and apparently it's 400 by 300. Now, it doesn't look like it's 400 by 300. I would say that's more 400 by 300. So I still need to do some research about screen sizes and window sizes and that kind of stuff. I'm not too sure about it at the moment. Anyway, we've created a screen. The next thing we want to do is create a turtle object. And to do that, all you have to do is call this function from the turtle library file. That's all you need to do. Now, to communicate with this turtle object, we should create a variable and assign it to the object. Now that we've got a variable communicating with this object, my computer program can mess around with the object. For example, if I want to change the turtle object shape, I use my reference variable, which is communicating with the turtle object, and I call the shape function, which is a turtle function. And let's say we want the turtle to be pink. I'll do the turtle's shape size in a moment. Let's just set the turtle's color first. So again, I'm going to use my reference variable to communicate with the turtle, and I'm going to call the color function, which relates to turtles. I'm going to create a pink turtle. Okay, so let's run this and just see if it works as expected. No, it doesn't. Now let's see what's going on. We've got some error messages. There is no shape named pink. Ooh, that's interesting. t1.shape pink. I should have typed t1 dot. The t1.shape is turtle. What am I doing? And the t1.color is pink. Okay. So now we have a pink turtle in the middle of the screen, and the final thing I want to do is change its size. So t1.shapeSize, again, use your reference variable to communicate with the turtle, right? We're communicating with this turtle, and I'm calling the turtle's shape size function. And I'm just going to stick in some numbers. Not too sure what these mean. Again, go and look at the documentation and do some research on shape size. But when we run this, we should be able to manipulate the size of the turtle. And there's a very brief introduction on getting started with turtle graphics.